gorau mewn pêl-droed iddo fi. Dwi rhaid i curo cwpan o blaen yn creu fi, ond mae'n neud chi eisiau mwy, dwi'n meddwl. So ar ôl curo fo tymor dwytha, mae'n neud chi eisiau curo fe eto, a neud chi eisiau curo'r gynraedd hefyd.
We know that CNS are always going to be the ones that are out there. They're always going to be the ones that are going to be seen as the number ones, whether it's in the league and the cup. So to then eventually go and win a cup with Quay probably felt a little bit more rewarding than what it has done in the past with CNS, where the expectation is you are meant to win that cup.
I didn't envision that we'd win the cup, but yeah, it was good to win the trophy. I've been told I scored in every round, so that was like a good compliment.
Dau tymor dwytha fi fod yn Cei Connah, da ni wedi bod yn trio pwysio i fod yn mwy agos i Seintiau Newydd, a erbyn adeg yma yn y tymor dwytha, maen nhw wedi bod ella 10 pwynt i ffwrdd wrthyn ni, ond i ni fod hyn o agos ydyn nhw, mae'n exciting.
It's been great being part of this steady progression. I've been here for 5 years, so 250 appearances for Quay. Just shows I'm old.
Obviously, it's not just ourselves, Barrier up there as well at the moment, so it's going to be run a lot closer than it has in previous seasons, so that just makes it even bigger and better for everyone watching the league and everyone involved in the league.
When I left TNS, I said if I was going to go somewhere, it was going to be somewhere that's going to be challenging for cups and titles, and I believe that's what we're doing.
Meticulous, diligent and loyal.
It's so easy. Cool, calm and collected.
Hard, intense, detailed.
A dim bach yn nuts swn i ddweud.
The gaffer's hilarious. I mean, I don't know if you guys see it, but yeah, we're always laughing. He's a right old joker.
And I'm sure he'll tell you, Man City and Plymouth winning games as well, that's what keeps him happy. So as long as the three are winning, then he is happy.
Probably it's to do with my upbringing. I watched a lot of football Italia, and when they score, they'd run to the corner flag and celebrate. So I just run there and kick the corner flag. It's weird, but it's life.
It's been brilliant, you know, for the club, for the league again, and for all the players that are playing in it. We've had massive occasions, games at home against the Northern Ireland team, and obviously playing at Hampden Park, getting to the final would be an unbelievable achievement for Quay Nomads and for also the Welsh League.
The Irn Bru's been a breath of fresh air for us. It was a bit surreal, to be honest. A big stadium, big international stadium. Personally, it was great, scoring and doing well, but for the club, it was brilliant.
I chwarae mewn competition fel yma, mae'n masif i'r clwb, masif iddyn ni. Os ni'n gallu mynd un step arall a mynd i'r final, fydd o'n wych.
This year we're flying the flag for obviously the Welsh Prem, and if we can get to the final, that would be a great achievement. But on a personal note as well, it's one of the competitions that I haven't won. If I can manage to add that to the trophy cabinet this year, I'll be a happy man.